Thank you so much for tuning in. Mr. Mitsubishi here. Today we have excellent, exciting new product. It's the door sill for all new body style Outlander, new body style PHEV. It doesn't matter if you install them on Outlander gas or PHEV. It will fit as long as it's the new body style, because this door part is exactly the same, identical to all those new body style Outlanders, gas or PHEV. So this one here is very easy to install. So it comes with this, the sticker, the tape right here. We're just gonna place it where we need to be, remove it, and glue it on. So very easy, and you can find these on my accessory website, mrmitsubishi.ca. I ship for free to Canada, US, and Australia, pretty much everywhere in the world. So let's get going. Let's find the perfect spot and see how to install it. So now let's just place it here on the door sill, and it's very, very simple. So the only tricky part, so to speak, is just to find the perfect placement where you want it to have. So you can have them here, a little bit further in. So you just find a spot where you're completely happy with how it's gonna look. Take your time, don't rush, and then you just need to remove the tape from here and put it where you want it to be, and then just glue it on like this. So you can use masking tape to place it where you want to be. I'm not going to use it. So this is the spot where I want it to be. So it's going to look really, really nice. Okay, now let's remove it. Okay, and now is the part where we need to be very, very careful. And let's place it where we want it, because once it's on, so we can't undo it that easily. Okay, right here. This is where I want it. This is where we're happy with it. All right. And we have it. There you go. And now I can use this fiber cloth to press it in like this. And our install is done. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the same thing on all 4 doors, and then we're gonna enjoy the end result and gonna check it out a little bit closer. Okay, so I'm done installing all 4 door sills, and let's check them out a little bit closer now. So this is how it looks. I really like this Outlander lettering, and I'm not sure if you can really tell it in a video, but it's a really good quality. You have this, the lettering has almost a little bit like depth to it because of like the clear coat, and like look how like the sticker is very thick. So it's not one of those cheap sort of paper thin black stickers that you put on here, and but this one is a good high quality product, and I really like how it looks, and it has this nice sort of like tone to that silver Outlander lettering. It looks really, really good. And as you open the door right here, we can see it right there, and with black it looks really good with this red Outlander. And again, you can put it on any new body style gas, PHEV, doesn't matter. Let's check out the second row. So the second row has no lettering, but it has just nice black nice glossy shine. And then obviously the same deal on the other side. So this is how the Outlander looks. So this one here is the PHEV with black roof and the black side moldings, and these black side moldings is same kind of thickness and same quality, same manufacturer. So really, really good product. We've used them for many, many years, and I'm very, very happy with it. This one also has black hood emblem. So this particular PHEV now looks really, really good. So this is the GT trim level. You have black roof from the factory, black hood emblem, black side molding here, and now you open the door and you have nice black door sills right here. So there we go. It was very, very easy to install. Just do the steps, don't rush, and you'll do absolutely fantastic. And again, if you want them ordered for your vehicle, mrmitsubishi.ca, get them there. I'll ship them to you. Thank you so much. Have fun installing.